Well, good morning on this beautiful Monday, or should I say this windy Monday. I'm actually outside in Superior right now. Look at these bushes whipping back and forth. I was just in the car and the whole car was shaking. You would think it was an earthquake, but it's not. It's just the gusty winds. We're seeing gusts close to 60 miles per hour. We're located in Superior right now, kind of near Boulder in the foothills, and we're expecting these gusty conditions throughout the entire day as this cold front is pushing through right now. Temperatures a lot cooler than what we saw yesterday, so I hope everyone enjoyed their day yesterday with all the warmth and the sunshine, and of course the Broncos win. But overall, today is not really looking like that. I'll tell you what today is. Today is a bad hair day, so please use the hairspray. But of course, be smart if you're dealing with any fire. There's elevated fire conditions. That's going to be the main concern. But overall, this is the conditions right now. Of course, the wind decides to die down just a little bit when I started doing this video. But I'm telling you, it is whipping out here.